Car on my bicycle, and I didn't have my cell phone on my bicycle, so I thought, shit. And a nice lady named Emily rolled up in the red car with the bicycle rack on it and gave me a ride home to the gig. Thank you.